Hi students, welcome to Sunil Engineering Academy. I am Sunil, plus educator in India's largest learning platform, Unacademy. Students, we know very well, recently IBPS released a notification for clerk and PO in rural banks. It is a golden opportunity in these corona days, so don't miss the opportunity. And here the very important question is that how to crack. How to crack. Students, previously I have made videos how to crack RRB exams or SSC exams. Here more than 4 lakh students watched those videos and got benefited. So don't skip the video. Don't skip the video. Watch completely. Okay. Here for any exam we have to follow some steps. These are very important to crack any of the exam. The first thing is nothing but we have to read the notification completely. Okay, and we have to apply. We have to apply. After that, we have to read the syllabus and we have to understand the syllabus. After that, we have to get books. After books we have to practice the number of questions as possible. After that, write test series to get time management. Okay, and final very important thing is that be confident. Confidence is very important, friends. Be confident. If you follow all these steps, you can easily crack any of the exam. You can easily crack any of the exam. All of you understand? Huh? Yeah, I think you have read the notification totally and you have applied. Now again we are going to look the syllabus. Here coming to the syllabus, in case of prelims examination, for office assistant or for scale 1, the syllabus is same. Reasoning and also numerical ability. Here reasoning is 40 questions 40 marks. Numerical ability also 40 questions 40 marks. So total 80 questions 80 marks. And what is the time? That is the important one here. In bank exams or railway exams or SSC exams, that means the competitive exams, means the time management is the very important one. Here just 45 minutes. Oh, just 45 minutes. So we have to attend these 80 questions in just 45 minutes. That means for each question you have roughly or nearly just half minute. So you have to write, you have to attempt a question in half minute only. That is the main important thing. You have to understand this one. If you understand this one, you can easily get the job. Okay. So time management is the important. You know the concept. You know the answer. You have done. But you are not getting the job means you have not followed the time. So time management is very important. Time management is very important. That is the point I want to give here. Okay, and coming to the mains exam, in the mains exam also the syllabus is reasoning and also numerical ability. Apart from this reasoning and numerical ability, you have general knowledge, general awareness, and also English or Hindi language. For both the syllabus is same. Okay, and here coming to the syllabus of this numerical ability or quantitative aptitude, they have given number systems, data interpretation, SCF and LCM, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, time work, time distance, decimal fraction, averages, simplification, partnership, percentages, ratio and proportion, averages, case studies, charts and graphs, permutation, combination and probability. Don't worry, I will give this PDF link in my description box. You can easily download the syllabus. Don't worry about that. Okay. And coming to the reasoning, the syllabus of reasoning is puzzles, arrangement, and here some miscellaneous questions, number series, odd man out, coding, blood relation, analysis, syllogism, alphabet test, ranking, causes, directions, figure, word formation, statement assumption, assertion, statement and conclusion, statement agreement, sorry, argument, and statements and action courses. So this is the syllabus in case of reasoning. Okay. So what is the first step I have given? The first step is you have to read the notification and you have to apply for the job, whatever you want. Okay. And the second one, you have to understand the syllabus. That means you have to download the syllabus and take printout. Take printout. It is must and should, friends. Take printout. It is must and should, and you have to read the syllabus nearly 2 to 3 times. Okay. Blindly follow the steps. Okay. And after that, you have to look into the best books to prepare. Okay. What are the best books we have? Here, for aptitude and reasoning, the best books are nothing but R.S. Agarwal, a new version book. It is very, very good to practice. And the second one, M.S.M. Tyra. This one also very good book. And after that, coming to the reasoning, for reasoning, I prefer the Arihant publication. Arihant publication is better than R.S. Agarwal, according to me. And you have to practice some previous papers. For this you can prefer Kiran Prakashan or Edurice. Okay, both are very good. Okay, so we have to arrange the books. We have to arrange the books. But if you don't know anything, if you don't know anything, that means you don't know a single concept in numerical ability or reasoning, you have to watch online classes. Okay, in these corona days, utilize the online classes. In our YouTube channel also, the Srinivas sir, famous faculty for quantitative aptitude and reasoning. He started the classes in our YouTube channel for numerical, that is quantitative aptitude, and he will surely complete this quantitative aptitude. After that, he will start reasoning classes. Okay, so utilize all the classes which will be available in our YouTube channel. Already 2 topics are completed, I think. The remaining topics also will be completed soon, and he has given in detail analysis, okay, and very short tricks. So utilize the classes and get the knowledge. After that, you have to practice the questions by these books. Don't worry, I will give the links in my description box. You can easily click on those links and you can easily buy these books. And I will also give the links of playlist of quantitative aptitude classes. You just click on that links and you can easily follow and complete each and every class. That is the important. Okay, don't miss a single session. Okay, don't miss a single session. After that, practice these books. Okay, now after that we have to analyze the cutoff also. Then only we can get the idea that how much of preparation required to crack the exam. Okay, if you observe previous RRB clerk cutoff score for 80 marks, for 80 there is 71.50 for Andhra Pradesh. For remaining states it is somewhat of less, for some states it is somewhat of higher. Okay, so that means we have to try 80 by 80. That is the main important. If you try for 80 by 80, then you can easily get more than 75. Don't try for cutoff just 70 or 65 or 68 like that. This is main important one. Okay, be careful. You have to keep in mind, that is you have to study for 100%. Don't miss a single topic also. Okay, try to get 80 by 80, then you can surely get more than 75. You can surely get more than 75. I think you have understand my point. Okay, okay, so prepare for more than 75. And one important thing is that If you are only applying for clerk, you don't want interest for PO, still you have to prepare for PO level. Okay, officer scale 1 level. Okay, if you prepare for this officer scale 1 or PO level, you can easily crack the clerk exam. You can easily crack the clerk exam. Okay, that is the important. So always prepare for better, then you will get your required one. Okay, and if you consider the cutoff for PO, that is for 80 marks, for PO the cutoff is less. That means the question paper hardness is very high. Okay, so you have to prepare for PO and you can easily get the PO, or at least you will get the clerk. Okay, but always try for best. Always try for best. You can, then you will get better one. Okay, and after that, the next point, what is the next point I have given here? Yeah, after that, practice how you are going to practice, how you are starting your preparation. Okay, how you are going to start. First of all, you have to arrange the books. Okay, after that you can also watch the videos for concept of numerical ability and reasoning. After that, you have already taken printout now. Try to tick on whatever the topics you have completed. If you tick on whatever the topics you have completed, then you will get the idea where you are. You will get the idea where you are. That is how the preparation is going on. Then you will get the confidence. After completion of each and every topic, you will get the confidence. Surely get the confidence. If you get the confidence, your preparation is like a bullet train, like a aeroplane. Okay, it will be very fast without any obstacles. Okay, it will be very fast. So try to tick on that one, blindly follow friends. Okay, tick on whatever the topic you have completed, tick on that one, then you will get a good idea on your preparation. After completion of all the topics, now you have to analyze that, how much you have prepared, how is your preparation. Then how you will get the idea? How you will get the idea? By writing the test series. By writing the test series. Then only you will get the idea. Then only you will get the idea. And I have given one important thing is time management is very important. Sir, how I can get time management? How I can get time management? By practicing the test series only. Try to practice the test series will having 80 marks of the test series. Okay, 80 questions of 40 quantitative aptitude, 40 reasoning. Okay, so try to complete this 80 questions less than 40 minutes. You have to prepare, you have to practice the questions like this. Okay, then only in real exam you can easily get 80 questions, 80 marks. Okay, try for 80, you will get more than 75. Okay, so we have to get, you can easily get the time management by only the test series. If you are not written any test series, means it is very difficult to get the time management. It is very difficult to get the time management. All of you understand? Okay, so please, you have to participate in test series or mock test, anyone, for 80 questions. Okay, then only you can easily get the time management. You can easily solve the questions in less than 40 minutes. You can easily get the job. Okay, and after that you have to be confident in every moment. Every moment you have to be confident. You can easily get the job. That is the main important. If you are confident, you can easily get the job. Okay, this is the very important one. Okay, so please follow all the points, download the notification and apply for the job, and take the printout of the syllabus, and take and try to buy the best books to practice, and try to watch video lessons. Okay, of our engineering academy classes, or you can also prefer any other classes also. Okay, and after that try to buy any test series and be confident. and be confident. You can easily get the job. And I have given all the links in my description box. You can easily download that. And one another important thing is that if you want a plus course, you can also buy a plus course in Unacademy. In that, you will get a lot of educators. You will get a lot of educators to guide you how to get Unacademy subscription. That is, just follow my steps. Just open unacademy.com. In this unacademy.com, here in this one, yeah, here you have to select your goal. Select your goal as bank exams. Okay, bank exams. Here you have all the details of the courses. If you scroll down, you will get all the details what you will get through this plus subscription, and what are the prices, and the top educators which are going to take the classes, and some batches, and upcoming courses also. And here some of the students want their own language, for example Kannada, Tamil, Telugu. Okay, you will also get some regional languages, Kannada and also Tamil also. You can check the details, and you will get the comprehensive syllabus courses also. Okay, and you can also track your preparation by mock test and all those. Okay, we have a lot of advantages here, and you will get also recordings. Okay, also recordings. And how to get the subscription? Just click on get subscription. After that, select a number of months here. Okay, whatever you want 1 year or you want 3 months. Okay, here for the 1 year the price is very less. If you want 3 months, you can also get 3 months. And click on, if you are that is for mains exams and prelims, for both it is better to take 1 year like that, that is longer subscription. Here you have to apply a referral code. Have a referral code. Here you have to type Sunil sir without any space, Sunil sir. Then click on apply button. Then your price will be reduced just like this. That means you are getting an instant discount. After that, you have to proceed to payment. Okay, whatever you want. And after payment, you will get access to all the plus courses in banking exams category. Okay, in this way you can also join for the course also, or otherwise you can go for if you are financially poor, and you can go for any, that is YouTube classes also. Okay, but don't that is lose your confidence. Always be confident. Okay, always be confident. You can surely get the job. And now the situation is very crucial, friends. In these corona days, getting the job is very difficult. So don't miss this golden opportunity. And I will provide all the links in my description box. Download the this PDF, and also you can buy the books also. Okay, and you will open the playlist, and you can watch the classes. You will get the idea. Okay, okay, thank you so much, students. And also please subscribe this channel, and share this video, and also please click on like button. Okay, thank you so much.